Hello, here is a video of Maisie and her 8 gorgeous puppies. There are 5 females and 3 males born on June 25th. They are just coming up to 3 weeks of age. They're technically, let me think now, 19 days. 19 days. They'll be 3 weeks on Thursday the 16th. So here we go. Still very dependent on mom, but she is already starting to wean them. I'm going to have to start solids probably on the weekend already because they are nursing, but she's starting to, wean them, which is normal. So I'll start the watered down, very watered down kibble and start the process. I'm going to try and keep it going till the weekend. There you go. We're getting that much needed milk from mom. She's very, very devoted. Hey, Maisie, great mom. There we go. They're nursing on her for dear life. Lots though. There's only 8, so no problems about them all nursing, getting what they need. And you can see your puppy. They've got their collars on now. I could probably leave them on now. It's safe enough. They're in this pen where they're going to have lots of room to run around in the next few weeks. They're going to need it. So they've been switched to the, I call it the big puppy pen. They'll be running back and forth soon enough. Oh, Maisie. Good girl, Maisie. She's a great mother. And they're going to look a lot like her. She's shaved close, Maisie, but a lot of them will end up looking like her. The white will all turn silver. Oh, there's Mr. Green Paws trying to find his way. He'll find it eventually. And there's Dad, Diego, looking on. Hey, Diego. 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 Very proud of his babies. They'll start to, start to play with each other, and by the weekend you'll see a huge difference. Okay, getting so big and fat. Oh, look, Miss Red Stripes. You can see them all. Mr. Blue Paws, and let me see who that is. Looks like Miss Pink Stripes, Miss Blue Stripes. Under there is Miss Green Stripes and Red Stripes, and Mr. Green Paws and Mr. Black Paws. And who's that? Right here. Yes. Oh, that's Miss Yellow Paws. Oh, Miss Yellow Stripes, I should say. Still early in the game. Okay, well. Videos will get more exciting and longer as they get bigger and more active. Okay. Bye-bye.